Hello guys, today I will show you how to run Amazon PPC ad. So to run Amazon PPC ad, we should go to just right here, Seller Central Amazon. So when you go to Seller Central Amazon, you will see a dashboard like this. Okay, just click on the sponsor ads, and then dashboard will show like this. So there are some campaigns we already run, and these campaigns result is average. And now we would like to run another campaign. So to create a new campaign, click on this option, Create Campaign. Create Campaign, you will see three options. So there are several types of Amazon ads like sponsored ad products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display. So in short, sponsored products is a search ads where when customers search something and based on the search terms, those ads are showing on the customers that ads called sponsored ad. I mean, this Amazon called it Amazon PPC or Amazon Search Ads. Okay, and Amazon sponsored brands means showing brands, and when people search relevant products, so those products brand will show based on the search terms. And for Amazon display, sponsored displays is a product displaying ads. So when someone searches or the behavior based on the behavior of customers, Amazon show the ads to the customers. So the display ads can be different from these two ads because sometimes display ads is related to the Amazon DSP, Amazon demand side platform. So the Amazon demand side platform, when we run at one Amazon demand side platform or Amazon DSP, those ads are showing on different platforms outer Amazon like Netflix and their affiliate marketers website and other websites. So in boards, if you need brand awareness or branding, then Amazon Display is very good for you, and it should be your first choice. And if you need quick sale, then you should go for Amazon sponsored product sets. And if you want to show your brand, it's another part of branding and brand registration. So you can go straightforward with Amazon product brands, sponsored brands. So now we'd like to set up Amazon sponsored ads. Okay. So to set up Amazon sponsored ads, product ads, just like click on continue. So continue. So there you see a dashboard where we can select where we can set up Amazon sponsored product ad. Okay, here are some options. First, add group setting. This add group name. This give a name. Give a name which is related to your products. This is what we want to run ads for product sponsored products. So and for our polo shops. So what will be the add group name? The group name is just as simple as polo shirts campaign. Polo shirt campaigns, and we keep the date as it is because we need the date to track when we run the ads. So now the second option, product. There are many products. So you can see the products by name, by SE or SKU. It's up to you. This which option is easy for you. Now I just follow this product name. I will search product name and select from here. So hopefully all the products we have, those products are here, so we can easily select. This product, some products are out of stock. So for out of stock products, we don't have any concept for that. Whether it is not now, it is not available. So we shouldn't go for these because meaningless. This is meaningless. Blood will not blow. Voice plain blood. No. So our concern is run and with this polo shirt. Okay, so polo just can we can search here follow follow all the polo shirts is polo shirts are here, so, but out of stock. So we want to run the ads for this only product. So add variation. Okay, so add variation, add 60 variations. Okay, so for these 60 variations, just enter lists now. Okay, so our products are selected, and now we should set up the campaign on the first like targeting. So there are two types of targeting: automatic targeting and manual targeting. Automatic targeting based on Amazon will target keywords and products that are similar to the product in your ad. So Amazon algorithm will take the responsibility to run your ad. It's called automatic targeting. Okay, it's everything will happen automatically, but if you want to manage everything manually, and that on your hand, then you should select manual. So we want to go for the manual targeting option. So manual targeting option, we must set up some keywords here. So go to the keyword section, and this is keyword targeting. Either we can select keywords from the list or add or enter a list. So we want to enter a list and here because we have a list of keywords. It's based on Amazon search, Amazon customer search terms. Is we would like to use these keywords because these keywords are highly targeted and relevant to our product, and our customers are searched those keywords already. And now we want to select these keywords like 100% cotton means color shop. This could be one keyword of ours, and this one is just follow three things: search volume, echoes, sales. So everything is important. So this one is also good. This one is also good, and just need to short something here. Just this one is also good. This one is good. So these are our keywords. Just in the beginning, we don't want to select too much keywords because there are lots of opportunities to optimize the campaign. So now there's some keywords we are adding here. So for the first campaign or the beginning stage of the campaign, just you select the phrase mask keywords because I will show everything this what differ with these three mesh. So there are three mesh. Board mesh means your keyword will show for any one of this word. Okay, this is called board mesh. Phrase mesh. Just for instance, Jake shirts, John's shirts means like this just phrase wise. And exact mesh means the keyword need to be triggered for this exact sentence. Okay, this counts exactness. So just add those keywords as a keyword here. Amazon showing and ask us to choose an alternative bid. So the system suggests us 46 0.46 means 46 cents for this keyword bidding. So we keep as it is that Amazon suggests us. Okay, and we will optimize it as per our campaign performance. So 1 or 2 days later, so I will show everything in the next campaign when we optimize the campaign. Okay, the next is negative keywords. So now we don't want to add any negative keywords for this campaign because we do not know what result will bring this campaign. So after getting something from this campaign, we will change, we will optimize, and we will modify the campaign. Okay. So this next step, where is our budget section? What is the budgeting section? Okay, this is our budgeting section. So daily budget. What is our daily budget? Now this we run ad per day $300 for several apps. Now, just I want to keep 50 pound per day, not 500 pound, 50 pound per day. And what is the campaign name? The campaign name will be same as per our. So campaign name will. What will be the campaign name? Will follow shirts campaign. Follow shirts campaign. Okay. So just after set up everything, just you need to recheck again everything. Just means minimum standards. The product listing quality is good because there is a checklist for that, and we are checking whether everything is good or not. So now, since everything is good, so we can launch the campaign. Just launch campaign. Okay, our campaign. Congratulations, your campaign has launched successfully. If we go to the campaign manager, so what will we see? Is our ad is on the list of active campaign. So we go to here. I filtered out for only for the enable campaigns. So see, there were 5 campaigns. Now there are 6 campaigns. Okay, this last campaigns full shirts camp. These campaigns are added here. Okay, this was our tutorial or video for Amazon PPC campaign setup. From the next video, we will see how to optimize the campaign, how to generate more sales from this campaign, and generate ultimate revenue from Amazon. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep in touch with me and subscribe my YouTube channel. And those who are watching this video on Facebook, please follow my page. Don't miss any single video. Place to learn digital marketing and technological things. Thank you so much, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye bye.